everyone, and welcome to our first Audioburst Studio tutorial. Audioburst Studio helps you add fresh, real-time talk audio content to your app or website in just 4 simple steps. Our playlists are comprised of short-form audio clips from thousands of radio shows and podcasts, keeping your users up to date and engaged with your app or site. Let's see how it works. We'll start by logging in. If you don't have an account, you can create one or sign in with your Google account. That's what I'll do. After you log in, you'll enter the first wizard screen. Here, you can choose your industry, whether you're a training app, a navigation app, a news website, or an auto manufacturer. This will help us provide the right playlist for you. If you don't fall into any of these categories, just click on the Something Special option. The next step in the wizard is to select the playlist that you would like to add to your app or site. By clicking on a playlist, you can see a description of what each one entails. Our playlists are curated by our team of content experts that make sure the content is high quality and relevant for your users. If you're not exactly sure what to choose, don't worry. You can always change your selection later. If you prefer to build your own playlist, click Create Playlist. If you select Create Playlist, you can build your own playlist by choosing from over 100 topics in our content library. You can add and remove topics to create your perfect short-form mix. Once you're done, click Next. Now you can choose where you want to deploy your newly created playlist. You can embed the player on your website or in an iOS or Android app. Soon you'll also be able to add a playlist to an Amazon Alexa skill or Google Assistant action. After choosing where you will be adding your playlist, click Next to get a preview of what it will look and sound like.
Hi there. We've got your playlist all lined up.
Here's how your playlist will look and sound once embedded into your app or site. Try playing around with the player's capabilities, like skipping to the next burst in the playlist or sharing the burst to social media.
From artificial intelligence.
Hats and balls. Your partner in this experiment greets you. Hi. And the experimenter gives you instructions. You are to engage in negotiation with the agent on the other end of the line. You're to divide up these items in whatever way you see fit. If you can't come to an agreement...
And that's it. You're done. On the next screen, we offer a variety of deployment options, from an embedded player to full API access to mobile SDKs. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and I also hope you'll enjoy Audioburst Studio. In our next video, we'll show you how to edit your playlist content, change your deployment options, and view your analytics dashboard. Hope to see you soon!